calling the school about a sick child.
Mom, I don't feel very well.
What's wrong, sweetheart?
My head hurts and I feel very tired.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel warm.
Let me check your forehead.
Okay.
You do feel hot. You should stay home today.
Does that mean I won't go to school?
Yes, you need to rest.
But I don't want to miss class.
Don't worry, I'll call the school.
Okay, Mom. I'll lie down.
Good idea. Get some rest. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. This is the school office. How can I help you?
I'm calling about my son. He's not feeling well today.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
He has a fever and a headache.
I understand. Thank you for letting us know.
I wanted to report his absence so it's not marked as unexplained.
That's no problem at all. May I have his name, please?
Yes, his name is Adam Johnson.
Thank you. What grade is he in?
He's in 5th grade.
All right. Let me check his record.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, I see him here. I've marked him absent for today.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Of course, we hope he feels better soon.
I do too. He was worried about missing school.
That's understandable. Many students feel that way.
Will he miss any important lessons today?
Yes, there will be a math lesson and some reading work.
I see. Is there a way for him to get the homework?
Yes, I can inform his teacher.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
The teacher can send the homework by email later today.
Great. I'll make sure he checks it.
Please do. That will help him stay on track.
He doesn't want to fall behind. He tries very hard.
That's good to hear. We appreciate responsible students.
I had another question, if that's okay.
Of course, go ahead.
He has a test later this week. I think it's on Friday.
Let me check the schedule. Yes, the math test is on Friday.
If he's still sick, can he take the test another day?
Yes, absolutely. Health always comes first.
That's a relief. Thank you for understanding.
You're welcome. We want students to recover fully.
Should I call again if he can't come tomorrow?
Yes, please. Just give us a quick call.
All right, I'll do that.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all for now. You've been very helpful.
I'm glad I could help. Please tell your son to rest.
I will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Asking about the menu at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Could I ask you about the menu, please?
Of course. I'd be happy to help.
This is my first time here. I'm not sure what to order.
No problem at all. Many guests feel the same way.
The menu looks interesting, but there are many choices.
Yes, we have a lot of options. What kind of food do you usually like?
I like simple food. Nothing too heavy.
That helps. In that case, I can suggest a few dishes.
Okay, I'm listening.
Our grilled chicken is very popular. It's light and easy to eat.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy at all. We keep it mild.
Good. I don't like very spicy food.
You can also add sauce on the side if you like.
That's nice. What kind of sauce is it?
It's a light herb sauce, fresh and not heavy.
Okay. Do you have vegetarian dishes too?
Yes, of course. We have vegetable pasta and lentil soup.
What's in the lentil soup?
It has lentils, carrots, onions, and fresh herbs.
That sounds healthy. Is it filling?
Yes, many people find it very filling.
I see. What about the vegetable pasta?
The pasta is cooked with olive oil, garlic, and seasonal vegetables.
Is there any cheese in it?
No, not by default. We can add cheese if you want.
That's good to know. I try to avoid dairy.
Thank you for telling me. We can adjust the dishes.
I appreciate that. It makes things easier.
Of course, we want you to enjoy your meal.
Which dish would you choose if you were me?
Honestly, the grilled chicken is a safe choice.
That helps. Is it served with vegetables?
Yes, it comes with grilled vegetables and potatoes.
That sounds perfect. Is the portion big?
It's a medium portion, not too big, not too small.
Okay, that sounds just right.
Would you like to start with a soup or a salad?
I'm not sure yet.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Thank you. I like that.
Would you like something to drink while you decide?
Yes, please. Just water for now.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
All right, I'll bring that right away.
Thank you very much. I'll look at the menu again.
No problem. I'll be nearby if you need me.
A dad teaching his son math.
All right. Let's sit down and do your math homework.
Okay, Dad, but I don't understand it very well.
That's okay. We'll do it together.
I tried before, but I got confused.
That happens. Math takes practice.
This problem looks hard.
Let's look at it slowly. No need to rush.
All right, I'm listening.
What is the first number you see?
It's 8
Good. And what comes after that?
plus 5.
Exactly. So we are adding.
I know how to add, but sometimes I forget.
That's normal. Let's count together.
Okay.
Start with 8. Now count 5 more.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Good job. So what's the answer?
13.
Correct. You did that yourself.
Oh, that wasn't so bad.
See? You're doing great.
Can we do another one?
Of course. Let's try the next problem.
This one has numbers and words.
That's a word problem. Let's read it together.
Okay.
It says, Tom has 10 apples. He gives away 3.
So that means minus.
Exactly. Very good.
10 minus 3.
Yes. Now count backward.
9, 8, 7.
What number did you stop at?
7.
Correct again. You're improving.
I feel better now.
I'm glad to hear that. Confidence is important.
Sometimes I think I'm bad at math.
You're not bad. You're just learning.
That makes sense.
Everyone learns at their own speed.
Can we use paper to draw it?
That's a great idea. Drawing helps a lot.
I like drawing numbers. Then let's do that.
It makes math easier.
Dad,
Yes?
thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. I'm proud of you.
Can we finish the rest together?
Absolutely. We'll finish it step by step later.
Good morning routine. Mom and daughter. Good morning. It's time to wake up. Good morning, Mom. I don't want to get up yet. I know, sweetheart, but the day has started. Is it already morning? Yes, it is. It's 7 o'clock. Oh no, time goes so fast. That's true. Now sit up slowly. Okay, I'm sitting up. Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I slept very well. That's good to hear. How do you feel now? I feel tired, but I'll be fine. You always say that. Now get out of bed. All right, I'm getting up. Go to the bathroom first. Wash your face and hands. Okay, Mom, I'll do that. And don't forget to brush your teeth. I won't forget. I remember. Good. Take your time, but not too long. I'll be quick. Breakfast will be ready soon. That's good. I'm getting hungry. Come here now. Breakfast is on the table. Okay, I'm coming. Sit down and eat your breakfast. What are we having today? We're having eggs, toast, and fruit, and a glass of milk. It smells nice. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome. Eat slowly. I will. The eggs are really good. I'm glad you like them. Do you want some fruit? Yes, please. I like apples. Here you go. Be careful with your juice. I will. I won't spill it. Good. Finish your breakfast. I'm almost done. After that, check your school bag. Okay, let me check. Do you have your books? Yes, they're all here. What about your notebook? It's inside. I see it. And your homework? I finished it last night. It's in my bag. That's very good. I'm proud of you. Thank you, Mom. That makes me happy. Now put on your jacket. It's cold outside. Okay, it feels like winter today. Yes, it does. Wear your scarf too. All right, I'm putting it on. Are your shoes ready? Yes, they're by the door. Good. We'll leave in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm ready. Do you have everything? Yes, Mom, I have everything. Great. Have a good day at school. Thank you. I'll try my best. I know you will. Let's go now.